guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing something super fun. We're gonna do a bling bathing suit DIY. So if you've been on Instagram this summer, you've been seeing all these sexy bikinis decked out in all of these diamonds. When I tried to buy a bikini, I had to wait like 6 weeks for it to come in. So I decided I'm gonna do my own DIY version of it so I can have it when I leave tomorrow to the Venetian, and I'm gonna show you guys how to as well. Let's get started on this motherfucker.
So what you'll need is some scissors, some E6000 glue, the bathing suit that you want to work on. You're going to want the jewels and limitless patience. So as you can see, I'm starting to cut around the pattern. I got a white mesh pattern. It's like a dress pattern. So I am just cutting the majority of that netting out. Now, I actually should have used a white or a nude bathing suit because then that netting would have just disappeared into the suit and I wouldn't have to cut every single piece. But of course, I did not think about that. So I have to end up doing detail cutting where I am cutting every single crystal out, and this takes forever. Looking back, I would have got either a dress pattern with a black netting, or I would have got like a nude, pink, or white bathing suit, and this would have blended in perfectly. But I was able to do it. I just had some sharp fabric scissors, and I made sure to cut around everything. You can see here, I kind of lay out the pattern exactly how I want it to go before I start gluing it down. Okay, so I get my E6000 out and I am just gluing and gluing and gluing every separate little piece down until everything finally is looking right in place and is stuck down.
I don't think you're ready. This actually turned out good. It was going crazy when I had to cut around all that netting, but it turned out cute. Like, I was stressed when it wasn't like sticking, but I finally got that good old E6000. I'm shook. I'm like, bathing suits like this, I was looking for like $300, so I did this for 50, so not too bad, not too bad. And I'm shining, like shimmering. We'll get a flash so you can see the like full effect of the bling.
So we had an amazing time. It was so fun. The bathing suit turned out exactly like I wanted. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and check out my social medias. I'll list them for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.